I feel that the brand should stop doing certain things in marketing because it's doing good to nobody, none of the stakeholders. The first thing is stop downloading chaos and bring more clarity in terms of what you want to do, how you want to reach out, and what are the exact deliverables that you actually need till the time you want to, justify to the management. I'll give you an example for this. I was in discussion with the brand team, and they were very clear about the agenda initially that they want to reach out to a very niche segment, a specific activity that they want to do just to create connect and engagement with that specific set of audience. It was for a very small set of audience. I mean, not meant for masses. And during the discussion only, I had asked them that by any chance, do you need any PR for this or any kind of outreach for this? They said, no, we don't want any kind of PR. It's a very specific segment activity. We just want to create an engagement and connect with them. And since we are an expert in BTL activations and on ground activities for a very niche segment, we were very clear about what we are going to tell them, what we are going to do for them, and it was quite convincing. The kind of case studies I had shown, everything was convincing enough, and they were very happy about the fact that yes, exactly, this is what we really want. And they were convinced that yes, we'll be able to do that since we've already done that, we've already proven that. Now after 2 days I get to know that the same project, now they are doing it with FM, radio marketing. And of course, when asked that why is this happening, the justification that was given to me was, see, by any chance, Mumal, kuch bhi hota hai, koi bhi glitch hota hai, so we'll at least have radio in hand na, कि हम management को justify कर पाएंगे कि because कोई भी glitch हुआ है, हमने at least jingle बजवा दिया तो इतनी reach हो गई, we've reached the masses. I mean, really, you were very clear about the fact that you are not doing it for any mass promotion or any mass reach. But, anyways, that's a call, and that's utter confusion and chaos. Second thing that the brand should avoid is extreme micromanagement, which you will see it everywhere. The first thing is anybody in the marketing, they're not trusting each other, and somebody who doesn't know marketing, उसको सबसे ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि जितना मुझे पता है उतना किसी को नहीं पता है. So the thing is, it results in extreme micromanagement and curating more of that confusion and chaos. Now, the third thing that they must avoid doing right now at the moment is to ask their marketing partners and agencies to do sales for them. That's okay. You want us to do sales, we can do that. I mean, I've been asked by brands that, you've run a particular campaign and we are happy with whatever you've done, but we were expecting sales. And when I asked them that sales was not a part of the deliverables or the kind of commitment, what I was told in return was quite funny that, we understand it was not a part of your commitment or deliverables, but it is expected. You must have thought about it. I mean, like, yes, I can think about it. I can do sales. I've been doing sales. I'm up for sales. But the point here is, bro, you need to pay for that. If you want your agency to do sales on your behalf, you need to train them, brief them, pay for it. And then you probably expect out of it. So I think these are just a few things which are crazy. Do let me know if you've come across anything crazy like this while dealing with brand teams.